Okay, well, I've looked around for about 20 minutes and come up with a couple of different places, but I think where I'm going to put it is right there on the back of the TrailManor. There is absolutely no place that's really good to set this camera, so I'm just going to do the best I can do and set you up where I can set you up. So hold on. Clean this off with alcohol a couple of times. That's a neck breaker. Whoa. Okay, now I just gotta figure out how to put Kitty's foot on there. Too funny. In through the back. Well, that's my traveling kitty. Cool. All right. Well, that's done. I've been wanting to finish those up for quite a while. Anyway, I have searched the internet looking for a small portable air conditioner. Camper van Kevin has one, and to me it looks like it's a box sort of shape, maybe, I don't know, but all the ones I've found on the internet are like 30 some inches tall, and I don't think Kevin's was that tall. So, and yeah, I've asked him to sell it to me. He won't. He bought a new RV and got rid of his van, and his new RV has 2 air conditioners on it. So I real quick sent him a message and say, hey, Camper Van Kevin, sell me that air conditioner. And he said no, he's going to keep it just in case, he runs into something where he needs it. I can't say I blame him. Okay, so that's that. So I've been since then for about, I don't know, I guess a month, maybe more, been trying to find a small air conditioner, portable, that when I'm traveling I can just store, like in this table area. When I fold the table down, it'll just roll right up in there. Can't find one. And, that's another thing, this solar stuff. I don't know what kind of solar system I've got on here. I know there's one panel up there, but I don't know, what I can run off. So what I'm hoping is in November, I've signed up to help Jamie, nomadic at the van build in Arizona, Parker, Arizona. So I'm going to help him with some administrative work, or whatever else he needs, but I specifically clicked the button for administrative help. And I'm hoping that while I'm there, I can put in to get solar installed on this that will cover everything I need it for. The refrigerator if I'm not using propane, the air conditioner if I ever get one, whatever else I need electric for. Shouldn't be too much, but a little air conditioner. I don't think I want an air conditioner on the roof because it might make it too heavy for me to lift up and down. I don't think they make a TrailManor that has an automatic lift. Although I do plan on stopping in, I think it's South Dakota where the TrailManor plant is. They've invited me up to go through a tour, and I'm crossing my fingers that while I'm there, I should give Sonia. I should give Sonia a call, see if she can set up an appointment for me while I'm there to get the guys to do a service maintenance service on the TrailManor, to check the raise and lower arms, the batteries, the battery cables, just give it a once over. But I think that these arms that are outside that help it with the lifting up and down, they probably need to be adjusted because things are kind of out of whack. I see a lot of rubbing up there on the wall where when I close it down, it's hitting somewhere. And I've also noticed on the outside, on the back shell, that there's a place where it's rubbed. Just that one trip that my nephew came and got the TrailManor to put that thing on the outside plumbing, the drain stuff, to protect it in case I have a blowout. There's, I don't know, about a nickel-sized spot that's worn all the way down to metal. So I know those arms need to be adjusted, so I'll swing by there. Unless I can find someone between California and South Dakota along the way that knows what they're doing and can fix it or tweak it, whatever. Anyway, what else? Oh, this wallpaper that I put up, it's not on this wall back here, but it's over there. I'll show you in a second. I love it. It's beautiful. It's very pretty, but it's not working. It's not sticking. It's coming loose. Let me show you. Coming off. There. It's coming off there. This side's coming off. This side's way off. See that? And it's doing the same right up there. Almost every single seam is coming up. Even over there. I don't know if you can see that. See how it's just splitting and coming off? There too. So I'm not real happy with the wallpaper, and I'm probably, much as I hate to say it, I'm probably going to tear that wallpaper off. It stuck real good to that wall, but this wall I'm probably going to tear it off and just paint the wall. No, that was a lot of money and a lot of hours. So anyway, I've been organizing, reorganizing, you know, my organized mess that's in the house. So I've gone through it a couple of times and pared down things that I don't need, things that were duplicates, and I put a lot of stuff back, just things I don't really think I'm going to need. I got my toolbox done and separated out as into tools, electrical stuff, kind of sort of way. And I've done a bunch of laundry. I pulled out summer clothes, winter clothes, pajamas, sweats, kind of stuff, and pretty much put 2 of everything, maybe a little more shirts in there, but I've washed them all, got them all rolled up, folded, and ready to go. I don't remember if I showed you or not, but I picked this up for the closet. It's supposed to be a hanger, you know, but that's a lot of wasted space if you're just hanging clothes. So I decided just to get these things, and I'll do shirts, pants, pajamas. Down here I'll probably put, I got a blanket down there now, but I'll put like extra towels and toiletries and whatnot. And then these drawers down here, I'm just going to use this whole area for kitchen stuff. Probably put canned goods in these drawers, and then this cupboard I'll use for shoes and supplies, extra supplies like toilet paper and all that kind of good stuff, because it goes, like, you open this cupboard up here and then it goes way back into that behind there. So I'll use that basically for shoes and storage. Haven't slept on the bed yet because it's too doggone hot. And with me not having air conditioner in this thing, and I've thought about using a water cooler in here, but I just don't want to risk the moisture, the mold. Train. Never fails. Anyway, so I don't want to use a water cooler in here for that reason. The refrigerator, I've got it set to electric. And I've got it set down to as cold as it'll go. But when I check, and this has been a couple of days since I've opened it, I don't know. It says too warm. So I don't know what's going on, but it's freezing up back there. Look at that. Ice on my dang things. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it there instead of in the door. I'll just put it down there and see where it goes to. But TrailManor may be working on that too. It's a Nor cold. I'll tell you what, it ain't nor cold enough in there. Anyway, alright, I'm going to take my happy self back in the house. Had a little bit of a headache all day. I haven't been out here much. So yeah, well thanks for coming along and visiting with me while I put my kitty cat up and my map up. And, oh there it is. Maybe tomorrow if I feel better, if it's not as hot, I'll come out, I'll bring you along and we'll do some more stuff. Alright, that's it for me today. Please like, share, subscribe. Click that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell. What the bell does is notifies you when I post a new video, and if you share my videos, other people get to see them and they'll click subscribe too, and that helps me out a whole bunch. Okay, oh I love Kitty up there. Hey everybody, have a nice evening. Bye.